Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Christopher James Brown reporting live from the Cozy Red Cabin, Cosby, Tennessee, Great Smoky Mountains. Yeah. Okay, what the heck? I thought I'm just gonna unbox everything because I'm really excited and I want it to be official. I want to at least it on film that I'm unboxing everything, because tomorrow I'm going to hike to Summit Mount Mitchell and I want to test out all the gear, so I gotta prove that this stuff was in a nice those are actually kind of cool clips. I wonder if you're supposed to keep those or not. So these are my trekking poles that I am not stoked about because, oh my gosh. Yeah, dude, this is not for me. I'm gonna be real honest right now. Like the overall fit, trekking poles are not for me. You can make fun of me after. Oh yeah, come on, trekking poles. So dumb. Let me have my own opinion, okay? I can think they're dumb because I haven't experienced them yet, so maybe I can't say anything yet, actually. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get made fun of tomorrow by Joe on our hike. Cool, so those are the trekking poles. 90-degree angle. It's like we're skiing. What are we doing? Hey, I could use these for skiing too. So we got those. Got the shoes. Those are all Solomon's. We're good with those. Should I try these socks on right now? What the heck? Get ready to see my stinky feet. And take off the old Adidas. Bro, how these are so cute. Alright, here goes nothing. Injinji. It sounds like the gingerbread man. Like the big gingerbread on Shrek 2. Gingy! No, maybe that's the guy. Oh my gosh. Well, thanks to my father's genetics, my frickin' ring toe won't even fit in this frickin' thing because it's... Okay, this is maybe not for me. My toes curl up, and so this is just weird. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Can you see how my last two toes like curl in? Like this is on its side. This one's like under my middle toe. And that's why I'm single. I'm also out of breath from putting frickin' socks on. Kinda cute though. So those are super thin, so I will then wear the Darn Tough socks over them. For lack of time, I'm gonna leave one sock on. Shout out to my pina colada I made yesterday for dinner. Froze it overnight, now it's de-thawing. More of like a smoothie ice cream scoop. Don't need to test this out, that's a trap. Do I want to open this? Yeah, this is embarrassing. I don't know how to use this stuff. Oh, I need to get a... I'm going to write that down. So apparently, this is what I never knew growing up, but these inflatable things, pads, this is a cute green fighting machine. The X-Ped. Even smells new. Oh, what do we got here, dude? little repair packet. Don't mind if I do. Alright. We got the Swiss Designs. Alright, go ahead and make fun of me. This is like a pump bag. I think there's another name that some people use for them. Anyways, I think you just like catch air. Maybe? It's like a duck. I'm gonna miss my ducks while I'm gone. I got 4 pet ducks. So you get this guy, and the whole time while you're doing this, you're listening to someone's machine, battery-powered pump in the campsite next to you, and you're just cussing and swearing because you wish you had that. So I'm gonna buy that so I can piss other people off. No, not really. I'll share. In and out. You got an in button and an out button. As do we all, right? So, boom, right there. And push. Nope. What the hell? Yeah, what? If you blow into it like that, after so many nights and stuff, whatever the air in your lungs or something. Okay, this is not working. Anyways, it gets moldy, so that's why they have these stuff set things. Oh, it's twisted up, that's right. Yeah, so that's gonna get annoying. So that's the last time I use this thing. I'm gonna get one of those chargers, inflators that you just, it's literally like the size of one of those big batteries, the size of like a mini deodorant, and you just go and it fills it up. You're welcome for the sound effects, Ethan. This is the pillow. Again, if I just blow it up with my mouth, then it's going to get moldy and gross after a long time. Button locks it. And you got your pillow. Wilderness technology. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Okay. And that fits in a tiny little freaking stuff sack. You saw that. Got our dry bag from Sea to Summit, which I don't think I need. Oh. But this is to hang up my food at night. Oh, I gotta get a rope. I gotta write that one down too. I have rope, I just gotta remember to get it. To pick it up. Rope. And what was the other thing? It's pump. Electric pump or battery powered pump. Ka-chow. So this is gonna carry all of the food, toothpaste, anything stinky. It's 13 liters. Dude, check out the new fit. So dudes. So yeah, dry bag. I'm gonna save the tent setup for another time. The sleeping bag unboxing. So funny story with the sleeping bag. I went with Ethan in Utah to Recreation Outlet in Ogden, Utah. It's fresh. And went to the store. The only experience I've had with Recreation Outlet well, with Wilderness Technology, it's a super cool out store. But I bought these bibs that ripped on me, probably because I gained weight, but also it ripped in the groin, so it's weird. And they said I could return them if it's like within 2 years, so I'm gonna return them when I get back after I finish the trail, because I am gonna finish it. Maybe. Anyways, I went to the sleeping bag section and talked to this guy for a while. And I was like trying to be really cheap and save money. I tried to fit into a short sleeping bag, which is 5 feet 10 inches. I'm actually 5 feet 9 and a half, which is 69 inches tall. I didn't fit, long story short, so I had to get a normal one. The light 20-degree mummy. Ooh, forgot what color it is. This is pretty. So that's what I will be living in for 4 months, maybe. I'm going to go through this later a little bit more. Well, it's not technical, but I just want to look up instructions on it because I know nothing about the Sawyer micro squeeze, the filtration system. Also, the fire maple, my cooking system. I'll do that in a different video. This was too much. Sorry. Love you, bye.